Hi, welcome to my video, Social Prospector Pro Review Tutorial for Beginners 2021. Hi, my name is Bill, and again, welcome to my video. For a quick overview, what I'm going to show you, this is my second week. I will show you what it has done for me so far, pros and cons, okay? In a minute, I'm going to show you how I automated everything, all right? So let's get started. First and foremost, let me go into Social Prospector Pro. I'm signing in now. Okay, now what the software is doing is going to scan all of my friends. What the software does helps you to find more friends. There we go. You can see the number here, it's scanning everybody. When I first started using this, I had about 47 friends, 47, 46, somewhere along there. And again, I've been using it now for about 2 weeks. 2 weeks as of today. With this software, I'm able to get maybe about 50 to about 50 plus friends a day. Okay, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do members. What the software is going to do, it's going to fetch all of my Facebook groups. I got quite a bit. I'm in 66 friend groups. The trick that I think to this whole thing is that some groups are better than others, and I found that out through this 2 weeks period. But let's see. You know what? Before I go there, let me just show you something else too. What I want to show you is where I am with my friends. That's the whole purpose of the software. I have 1,363 friends, and I just changed my post up here today. We'll see if that works out in the long run. The whole purpose of this is to see if I can get people to click, and if they click, I might be able to get them to buy my software, which is Social Prospectors Pro. Okay, so here's the software, and let me pick out a group. Now you saw where I put send friends requests only to friends that we have something in common. That's mostly engagement. Let me scroll down. Let me find a group that I want to do this in. What I do suspect, I'm going to do this one here, is that at some point it could get harder. This young man here, this is a Devin. He's really a good young man. This young man, believe it or not, he's under 20 years old. He's been marketing since he was 13. If you have an opportunity, PM me because you want to get with him. If you don't have a plan, I mean, seriously, this young man is going places, in my opinion. So what this is going to do, it's going to send out 53 friend requests from this particular group. I'm going to hit up another group after I finish this, and this will only take a few minutes. But I will do another group after this, and I will send out a total of about 100. I'm I'm good today. Today is Sunday, with 100 friend requests, and that should put me over 1,400 by this time tomorrow easily. So I'm going to take a break, and I'll be back. Oh, one thing about the software that I do want to mention, that when you're running the software, you can't do it. You do not want to do anything else in Facebook that can disrupt the software. So you don't want to do anything else. That's why I put it on pause for you while I sit here and stare at the screen. But you see it's moving along. I got almost 20 friend requests sent out, and you may see some people responding while this video is still running. Okay, so I'm back because it's almost done. It's at 48. Still, or soon should be 49. There we go. Now, this is a new group. So that's the reason why they were able to find 53 people. For some of the other groups, they may not find exactly 53, even though there are a lot more people, or there could be more people in the group. But my strategy is to try to find groups. Okay, I'm going to stop this, find another one. My strategy is to try to find groups where people are not just spamming and posting and spamming. Try to find groups where people are actually Communicating, content. I like to think if they communicate content, then I have a better chance of them communicating with me content. Remember, this is all about building relationships, and it's hard to build a relationship if it's just one-sided, right? Same thing here. You see some of those friend requests? Those are people that I have already sent friend requests out to, but have not responded. At some point, I could use the software, which I will. At some point, I will delete all those. But I got 35 requests being sent out here. You see over here, somebody sent me a friend request. The good part about this whole situation is this. When people send out a friend request to me, I'm a little bit more selective. This is what I'm learning. After this, I will find maybe just 12 more requests and I'm all good. Now, with this software, I can also go to my timeline and I can look at my timeline and get friends off of that. But I'm not going to do that today because that takes a little bit longer. Because when I do that, I'm looking, me specifically, I'm looking for people that are out of the U.S. I want to get as many people as possible from the U.S. because generally, or the U.S. or the U.K. because generally those are the individuals that can afford the products that I might be marketing later down the line. Okay, so we're at 16, 17. It's moving right along. I'm going to put you on pause and come back when it's almost done so I can, you can see me find this last group. And then I want to show you something also that's very important. Okay, so we're back and we're almost done with this. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see if I can find another group where we can move forward. Just one more. Okay. So what that means to me is that I have about 88 people to where I sent out friend requests so far. I'm going to choose this particular group here. And all I want is 12. It's scrolling. That's what that means here, where it says scrolling down 5. I have the software set to only scroll 5. That's what Rodney, which is the creator or owner of the software, says. And it could give me 41. FYI, if you are doing any type of friend request or marketing online, the more you put yourself out there, I think the more careful you need to be. Because I get a lot of spam. I'm getting spam now, even with my email. So you want to be careful about what you're clicking on because there's a lot of spammers or crooks out there. Okay, I'm at 16. Again, I will stop at 20. And then we're going to go back to my page. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is turn the software off. I'm going to Facebook. I'm going to go look right here. We picked up about, what, maybe four friends during this short period of time. But this is what you need to look at. Or this is what I look at. Messages. I got plenty of messages, plenty of conversations going on. This person here accepted my friend offer or request a few seconds ago. This person here. And that'll give me a little bit higher total. If I refresh this, 1371. Now, again, at some point, I would take the software and I would go back through and I would start to delete some of these friends which have not interacted because I want to keep this under 5,000, but I want to keep it close to 5,000, but under 5,000. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. I got another person that accepted the friends. You see here? There's a plan, folks. The video I just made today would go right here. So I know, and these are videos which I put up. So I know for sure, okay, because of the system that I'm running, is that the more videos I put up, I'm going to overtake most of those positions underneath this particular software. There's traffic. There's not a lot, but there's traffic. Okay. So with this being there is traffic, that's the reason why I want to put up more videos here. So throughout this week, I'm going to slow this down and I'm going to pick this up. So by the end of this week, this is Sunday. By Saturday, I like to have 3 more of these or so. So now let's look at this. I'm going to go incognito again. I just want to show you my strategy. This is the first page. These are all videos. I want to get somewhere in here. I just have to work at it. Not there. I'm right here. So I'm on the second page. Out of those, what, 2 or 3 videos? I'm right here also. So I got 2 on the second page. And this video was just a day old. Take a look at something else. Just click Matic Review. Believe it or not, that makes a difference. If I just put click Matic Chatmatic Review, take away the S, I'm on the first page. But you see the strategy. The strategy is this. The more videos you put up with the same keyword or tag, and it needs to be good content, you will eventually rank. So it's a long game, not a short game. You will eventually rank. Okay, so with all that being said, as you see over here, I'm getting all these messages. I'll reach out to these people later. I really don't want to get into that now. So what I'm going to do now is this. What I like to do is show you how I put all this stuff together. Me personally, this is how I do it. I use Chatmatic. Chatmatic is a bot software, and what I do is make bots, and I send people to the bots. Those bots, just like in this particular, just like here, if a person's interested, this is the bot. They will actually go there. They don't want to go there, fine with me. And I don't want to sound hard, but it is. I mean, like it truly is fine with me. Because at the end of the day, this is about getting leads, building content, building trust, or getting leads, delivering content, and building trust. People buy from who they know, like, and trust. So my only responsibility right now with this 1,370 something people is to build trust. And I hope that makes sense to you. Okay, so I hope you like my video. I want to wrap this thing up. I want this to be short and sweet and to the point. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please subscribe to the button in the lower right-hand corner. And don't forget to be notified. Click that bell at the top to be notified for more videos coming out. Peace.